back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called 𝘱𝘪𝘥𝘪𝘴. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you enjoy my content, and please do subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning in this brand new video. Today's video, guys, I am going to be testing out the new Kylie Cosmetics Power Plush Longwear concealers. I finally have my hands on them. I think they've been out for a week or two, if I'm not mistaken, and I just thought I would like test them out for you guys so that I can give you guys what my thoughts are in case you might be wanting to buy the product. So I really hope you enjoy it, and let's get straight into today's video. Guys, let's get straight into the claims of the product. It is a medium buildable coverage, creamy texture, blends in seamlessly into the skin. It has a natural satin finish, so it feels weightless and the skin is breathable. It's up to 12 hours of undetectable wear, so no matter if you sweat, if it's hot, if you go into the pool, it's waterproof, and it also doesn't cake or crease, which is something that we know, like, you know, I struggle with when I apply concealers. Sometimes they crease a lot. No matter how much powder you put in, they can crease. So we'll see whether it lives up to what it claims. And then it also says that it blurs the skin, so it smoothens the look of pores, fine lines and texture. Multi-purpose formula. It brightens, color corrects the under eyes and conceals blemishes, dark spots and redness. Contains flex form properties for highly comfortable and flexible wear. Provides 8 hours of hydration. Works to reinforce the skin barrier. So yeah, we'll see whether it lives up to basically all of these claims. I will list the key ingredients just right here for you guys to reference to in case you are interested. This concealer comes in 40 different shades, so she's got everybody covered on lockdown. So yeah, let's see how this concealer comes out, guys. I'm super excited. I love concealers. I always love testing out concealers. It's the one thing I think out of makeup that I'm in love with the most, because you can do so much things with the concealer. So yeah, let's see whether Kylie has got it on lock. Also, guys, just to mention in case you might want to know this, it is a vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and it also says clean as well. So those are all the claims. So it's really perfect for everyone to use, no matter whether you are vegan or non-vegan. So yeah, let's see how. So guys, for the concealers that I picked out the shade 4W, which looks like so. I don't know whether you guys can see it. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's just a cute pink, baby pink packaging that Kylie has. Really soft, really feminine. And then for my contour shade, I picked out the shade 8N, it's like. So it's just like a nice chocolatey brown. So the 8N is a neutral shade. So that's what I picked out. And then the concealer is a warm shade. So we'll see how that one looks as well. I hope it's not gonna be too warm, because I don't like them to be too warm, but this is what the shade looks like. These are the concealers. This is what my skin looks like, guys. I've primed it. It's ready for foundation. The foundation that I'm going in with today is Charlotte Tilbury Airbrushed Flawless foundation, and this is in the shades 10. If you are interested in a review for this product, I did one a few months ago, I think. I'll link that at the end of this video. So that's what I'm gonna apply with a beauty blender. Then we're gonna go ham with the concealer. So now I'm taking my concealer and I'm just gonna apply in the areas that I want to highlight. It feels very soft, and I like that the brush is so small. It just makes it easier to get into your little crevices and nooks in your face. So I'm just going to blend that out. It feels really soft. Oh wow, it just feels like it's melting into my skin. Like I can't even tell that it's there. What it's currently looking like. It just like melts into your skin. I really hope that it blends out nicely and doesn't look too light, because I think the shade that I picked out is a tad bit light. So we'll see how it goes, guys, but either way I will make it work. Look at it, at how smooth it looks. Oh my goodness me, I love it so far. I absolutely love it. Look at that. It just looks like skin on top of skin, but it's not giving me cakey vibes. It's not giving me too thick. It's just giving me enough. Oh my goodness me, guys, I am obsessed. It's just literally melted into my skin. And it's not cakey. You can't even tell it's there. Wow, I love this. So guys, this is what the concealer looks like close by. As you can see, it has creased, even though I know one of the claims says that it doesn't crease, but it actually has, which is fine because that's what you expect when you put makeup on. But it is giving, in terms of like the overall factor, it's giving no makeup, if you get what I mean. It's just giving refreshed. It's giving soft, and it's not too cakey, which is something that I love, because I don't like cakey concealers anymore. I just like them to look like as if it's my skin, as if I woke up like this. And yeah, this is giving that overall factor despite the creasing. So I'm going to apply a bit more and see what that looks like, and then we'll do the contour. So guys, I've applied the second coat of concealer. This is what we're looking like. It is creasing just a bit much underneath on the eyes, but in terms of the overall look and feel of the foundation, it feels amazing. It looks smooth, and it just feels really weightless. It doesn't feel like there's anything on my skin, and also it's a very easy product to blend out. The concealer that I have, it does look like it has some undertones of yellow, but they're not too much. But next time I think I'll probably pick out something a bit closer to like a yellowish undertone, because this one is not so much. It's still sort of in the middle in terms of how it looks like, but we'll see how it oxidizes throughout the day, because that's what tends to happen with makeup anyways. But apart from the creasing, I'm really enjoying the product and I'm enjoying how it feels. I'm going to now do my contour and show you guys what that looks like. So guys, this is what we are looking like after that contour concealer has been blended out. It really looks phenomenal. The formula is phenomenal. It is soft, it is smooth, it has that blurred out effect, but it's just the creasing for me is just not doing it. Normally when I do my concealers, I allow them to sit for about a minute or two, but because this is a review, I just wanted to blend it out as soon as possible to show you what the product looks like. But I think moving on forward, that's what I will do. That's the only criticism I have, is that it creases up a tad bit much, like into my fine lines underneath my eyes, and it's not a winner for me. But we'll see how she does whilst we try a few different things. But apart from that, it is an amazing concealer. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look on what everything looks like, and just give you my final thoughts and wrap this up. But yeah, so far so good. This is what my makeup looks like. I did this makeup look on TikTok, so do follow me if you don't already. But apart from that, this is what the concealer looks like. We mentioned the creasing earlier on, but as an overall for the concealer, I would definitely recommend it. It is smooth. I don't have any filter or anything of that nature. This is what my skin looks like, and it just looks amazing. It feels amazing. It is smooth, it is soft, and it's a buildable concealer. I love both concealers, the dark and the light one. I definitely will be trying to work around the creasing to try and avoid that. But apart from that, I love it. Would recommend for you to buy it, test it out for yourself. But I really enjoyed testing this out. So yeah, do check it out guys, and let me know what you think. I really hope you enjoyed this review. I'll list the concealers that I used in the description box below, and a link to Kylie's website where all the other concealers are for you to purchase. But really enjoyed testing out this product, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video, comment the video, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls. Mwah. Bye.